Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's make suman in 20 minutes. So first we will be needing pre-soaked malagkit rice or sticky rice. We will also be needing lye water. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of this. It will give that yellow color and texture to our suman. As you can see, there's already some yellow spots on our malagkit rice. Then we're just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we'll just continue to mix it before we add it into our banana leaves. So I've already pre-cooked, pre-washed banana leaves so that it will be easy for us to wrap the suman. So I'll be using half cup of malagkit rice to portion our suman. So in this video, I pre-soaked my malagkit rice for 5 hours, but you can also pre-soak it for at least 2 hours. If you soak it for 5 hours, you will get very soft suman even though it will come out from the refrigerator. So we will be just wrapping it like a normal lumpia Shanghai, but make sure that the rice is tucked inside the banana leaf very securely so that it will not come out of the banana leaf during the cooking process. So I'll just quickly show you how to make it again so that you can be an expert on this. Actually, I'm not an expert. This is also my first time doing this suman. So after making 2 sumans, we are going to tie them together, and make sure that you tightly tie them together so that during the cooking process the rice will not come out of the water. So we have made approximately 12 bundles or approximately 24 pieces of this suman lihiya. So traditionally you can cook this on a normal steamer, but I'm cooking it in a pressure cooker. So we just arranged it nicely in our pressure cooker. So we're just going to fill our pressure cooker with water until the suman is all submerged into the water. So we're just going to pressure cook it for 20 minutes. Make sure someone is guiding you if this is your first time using a pressure cooker. So after 20 minutes, we're going to run the pressure cooker on running cold water before opening it. Make sure to have that thick sound before carefully opening this pressure cooker. So this is a really faster way of cooking suman because usually it will take an hour and a half to make a normal suman, but in the pressure cooker it will only take 20 minutes. So this is our finished product of suman lihiya in just 20 minutes. This is usually paired with a sweet coconut cream sauce, but since we're lazy, we're just going to use coco jam to top this off, and it just tastes as good as the original one. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and stay safe. So the texture of the suman is soft pag mainit siya because I've soaked the rice for about 5 hours, but I think if you soak it in 2 hours, sakto lang siya. Pero soaking it in 5 hours, the texture of this suman is very good paglabas ng refrigerator, as in the texture is so perfect, hindi mo na siya kailangan initin sa steamer. So just let me know in the comment section below if you want to soak it for 5 hours, 2 hours, or how you want to make this suman. Enjoy and stay safe.